Welcome back to TradeProFX.co.ke. Someone asked me to do a matches trading, and this is the only matches concept I think which works because it is the truth. But now when you get to trade, you've been shown that there is analysis tools, and then they are giving you accurate matches, which is a very wrong and a very wrong idea. So when you search like this volatility 10 1S index, then we check how you just scroll down. So you'll go to down here, you'll see the most appearing digit, that is digit 5 has appeared for 530 times. So from here you are going to get to the smart bots. So you look for smart bots, then you convert how you convert from trading differs to matches. So you get here and then get to this bot. So we have seen 101s, then we have seen digit 5, so no changes there. So here we are going to say if differs is more than 10%, it should trade matches so that the bot can pick trades faster. So on every tick, so when you begin, you just wait for it to make sure that it has reached to your take profit, the one you want, and then you stop. So let's see how you can do. So let's see whether it is works. And 12 16, so perfect. 19 again, perfect. So we stop there, and we have stopped at positive $4 of 4 USD 0.46. So that is where it has recovered. You've made 5, so you get back again. So you can see, let's get back again. We get back to analysis, we get back to the matches and differs, then you scan another market. You can pick a different market. Let's go to 25. Let's just go up once, and we make even 10 USD, 15 or 20. So we see how it works. So this is the only matches. Those asking me maybe I do matches, this is the only way I can say and prove that it usually works, but it is very risky, especially if you have a small capital. It is so much risky. You see, always be honest with people so that they understand the truth. So 25, and then we have seen that one. The digit is we have already confirmed, so you'll just put the differs there, and we are going to do not differs. You can see forgotten, so it should we stop there. We change this to differ matches 9, not here. So we need to change from here, then trade matches 9, that one. So that is where we need to change, then start the button, and then we wait for the trade. So I'll be observing here, stop immediately. Then you can see we have stopped at 0.72, so we have already scooped that way. So we get back to the analysis tool once again, then we get direct to the matches and differs. We go to a different market like volatility, especially if you use these 1s markets. They are very good. Yes, I don't say that also these ones, the flat markets, don't work. We will use some of them, and you see, you can see this is 51s. You fetch, and then you go down, check the digit which is the most appealing, that is digit 4. So you get again to the smart bots, so you configure everything, that is volatility 50. So volatility 51s, and then we put 4, then we put differs, and then put 10 here, so that it can execute most of the trades. Then matches 4 and trade. So the first one, the second one is a loss, the third one, the fourth one is a profit. You stop. So you can see, okay, you can see we are at 913. So it's very simple to trade matches with these analysis tool, only that I usually don't trust matches that much. Why? Because you see, you are predicting that digit is what will appear next. So and most of the people who are showing the bad data, they are not telling us the truth. So it's upon us to try using this. But if you want to do matches at your own risk, you can just try it as I'm showing you. So most of the markets I can recommend are the 1s. So let's see this one for volatility 10. We just do one. So that one we stop, we proceed. So if you are out there and want to execute digit match, just try this concept. But no, if you have a very small capital, you should be very cautious, because we are checking on different markets, but you can tell that some of them are going up, surpassing most of different digits, but some of them are below, so you need to be very careful. So that is the digit. Let's check the digit here. So volatility 10, forgotten while talking, so we just reset again and see. So the digit we've seen here matching digit 7. Okay, let me not forget that. So if you are trading matches, be very careful. Volatility 10, and then we get to match 7. Then we've said you say whenever differs is more than 10%, it trades matches digit 7. So change differs, so everything is good, not here, and it's here below here. So 7, and start the trading. So let me push here up so that I can see whenever there is a profit, and I stop that way, stop. So you can see the progress 16.389. so this is matches, so you go again, redo. So let's do the last bot. If we reach 20, we can call it some good time for matches. So we have tried several markets. You can see how you do it. So we get to 25, and then we fetch these and see where we are going to get. So digit 0 is the digit we are matching now. So let me get back to the trading board that is found on the smart bots. So we click now, we look for smart bots, this one, then we say this was volatility 25 flat index, and finally we do digit 0, and we say that is 10, and then match digit 0, not differs, match digit 0, then set and start executing. Let me squeeze here, and we call it a day. So this is how you trade matches, and very careful while doing these matches. Stop, and let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.